Beat until sugar and oil is incorporated well. Two medium-sized eggs. One tablespoon pineapple syrup or half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Please use a whisk for mixing, because if you use a beater, your cake will not be blown because of over mixing.
Tap and bake. If you're baking it on the stove, bake for 45 to 50 minutes on low flame.
If you are baking it on the oven, to preheat it on 180 Celsius and it on 160 Celsius for 30 minutes. So meanwhile, we are preparing our whipping cream. Pineapple cake basic, you will need a pineapple can, the white syrup and pineapple chunks, and pineapple syrup. So when this cake is cooled down, you will demold it. See how fluffy it is? Make sure to demold. Don't use knife because knife can not give a good finishing at the corners. take 2 plates, demold a plate, flip it. How easy it is. How to make 2 layers in between. So take a thread and cut it. Pull it into sides, and now this is done. Now we'll brush some sugar syrup on the Now we'll spread cream. Put some pineapple chunks. Then put a layer on it. Push it. Then spread the cream all over the cake. Now make some designs on the cake to look it more beautiful. Put some pineapple chunks on the top. Wow, how beautiful is our cake! It is as much as yummy as it looks outside. And look how yummy is our cake!